Have you ever wondered how social media platforms seem to read your mind and show you exactly what you need? It's like they've tapped into your thoughts, right? What if we told you that it's not magic nor coincidence? The culprit behind this seemingly intuitive prowess of online platforms is a fascinating concept called neural networks. These neural networks have woven themselves into the fabric of our digital lives, making our online experiences more personalized and intuitive than ever before. The secret behind this mind-reading magic are neural networks. But what exactly are these neural networks we talk about so much? Well, to put it simply, neural networks are a type of artificial intelligence that takes inspiration from the human brain. Just like how our brain has billions of neurons working together to process information, neural networks also have nodes or artificial neurons that process data. But here's where it gets interesting. These neural networks don't just process data, they learn from it. Each time they encounter new information, they adapt and change, improving their performance. They recognize patterns, make connections, and even make predictions based on past data. So in essence, neural networks are AI systems learning and improving, much like us. Now that we understand what neural networks are, how do they impact us? You may not realize it, but neural networks touch our lives every day. When you shop online and the platform suggests products you might like, that's a neural network at work. Or when your phone predicts the next word in your text, that's also thanks to neural networks. They're behind the scenes, learning from our data and habits, making our digital experiences smoother and more personalized. Imagine a future where neural networks could predict health risks or control autonomous vehicles. The possibilities are endless. Thus, neural networks, a marvel of artificial intelligence, are transforming our lives, one prediction at a time.